In the 1980s, speedometers were bold, colorful, and full of motion. We've taken that fun 80s energy and brought it to your wrist in our latest Xeric creation, the Volta Double Retrograde. Inspired by vintage speedometers, the Volta combines retro automotive design with a futuristic vaporwave twist. A custom quartz movement with Miyota gearboxes powers the double retrograde hands. Minutes sweep past and snap back every hour, while the hour hand jumps to the next number, and Swiss Superluminova lights up the dial in dark conditions. The Volta's brushed stainless steel case is a modest 36 millimeters in diameter, with pushers in the front to set the time. Our custom silicone strap provides a comfortable fit and quick release pins for easy toolless strap changes. Don't delay and get your limited edition Volta Double Retrograde now.